So today we're gonna be doing a huge unboxing from Amazon, and oh my gosh, I got like so much stuff here. So it's gonna be a lot of fashion, like dresses and shoes, some jewelry. So let's jump right into it. Let's go. So first, it looks like it's gonna be a dress. Ooh, let's see what dress is this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna be showing a clip of it on the side for you guys, and oh my gosh, this is really nice. Like the quality is, wow. It's definitely gonna have to be steamed. We'll see how it does after that. I'll let you guys know. This is very pretty. So it looks like it's lined up to like the knee. I feel like you can wear this on many occasions, maybe to the beach. A very fresh material, and it's such a beautiful color too. Gosh, this is so pretty. All right, let's see what else we got in. Okay, so this is another dress. I'm really liking these types of colors. Oh my gosh, this dress is so pretty. Definitely got this in a size small. Looks like it's gonna be really nice form-fitting. Look at this. It's not a super thick material, and I feel like this is gonna be very refreshing. Really beautiful dress. It has this black hem at the very bottom. It's very simple yet very classy looking and feeling. Like it's nice. So let's go to the next package. Oh, I got these for my hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I use this every single day to style my hair. And I ended up buying 2 packages because I go through these really fast, so I had to get at least 2. Next, I got my favorite hair mask, and this is truly amazing. I have to show you guys a hair care routine if you guys would like to see that. I just want to say this is a really great hair mask, especially for curly hair. Really hydrates your hair a lot. Like, I love this product. Like, literally, I use this once or twice a week. I love all of their ingredients because most of them is like natural ingredients, not so many chemicals, and that's what we're really trying to avoid, you know. Like, all right, so up next, see what we've got here. I'm just so excited about this because I've been waiting to open up these packages. Ooh, oh, this is a yellow dress. Oh my god. This is a yellow dress. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at the beautiful ruffling here. Like, this is so pretty. I can't wait. And the color is so nice too. I actually don't have yellow dresses, so this is actually my first dress, and let's see how it looks like on. I'll show you guys here. Yeah, the material is great. I love it. I was not expecting this kind of quality. Like, it actually feels really great. This is gonna be perfect for summer, for outings, for just, it's very pretty. I really love the V-neck as well. And it's so feminine. Look at this. Look at the bottom of the dress. Like, look at this. It's so like flowy and stuff. This material is great. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. I love this little detail right here. That's 3 dresses so far. And let's go on to the next product. So it looks like it's gonna be some shoes. Oh my gosh, I don't even know which kind of shoes this is, guys. I'm like really excited about this. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, it's these. These are like these Chanel dupes all over the internet. Like, these are on trend. Like, these, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I had to get my hands on one of these because I just love the way how they look. They're just so gorgeous, so classy, so minimalistic. I love them. They're so pretty. For these, I just got my normal size. I got a size 8, so let's see how it fits. I'm gonna be showing you guys here the demonstration, but wow, so pretty. I just love them. All right, let's go with the next item. Ooh, it looks like another shoe in here. Let's see what kind of shoe it is. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful. I really love the heel. It's just so unique, different from like the regular classic heels, you know? But wow, these are very pretty, good quality. So for these, I got my regular size, very comfortable. Indeed. So the next one, all right. I guess I ordered this in a small and oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It's very stretchy. I guess it will adapt to your body. It also has a slit on the back. Wow, it's a very pretty dress. Really, really cute. I really love it, actually. This is really nice. I really like the style of it. And it has these two straps. Really pretty dress, actually. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Oh my gosh. I was the most excited about this one. I got it in a small. It's a dress. And this is a midi dress. Oh my gosh. It came in very nicely folded, actually. Here it is. And I really love the pattern of this. It's so pretty. It has these nice designs on it and it's so cute. Like, look at this little like embroidery. It has these cute functional buttons. Very beautiful dress. Honestly, I cannot wait to try this on. Look at the sleeves. Look at that. Wow. It has all these designs on it. It's very feminine. I feel like this is such a beautiful dress to wear. I feel like anyone would look so nice in this. And I almost forgot, that dress also comes with this little belt. This will just put everything together. You definitely cannot miss this. You have to put this on because this will just make the dress look that much better. All right, so the next one, this is a tank top. This is very nice. Like, they're really good quality. I don't know, I just really like these. Really soft, very, very stretchy. I really love the square neckline of it. I feel like it's just very classy, elegant, much more fashionable. So next up, it looks like these are gonna be some earrings. Oh my God, these are so pretty. Pearly pearls. Now let's see how they look like. Wow, that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's figure out how to open them. Okay, so I guess you just open it like that and then put it. Wow, that is so cute, honestly. Like, I love it to pieces. I really like how gold looks on me, so I'm more of a gold girly jewelry. They're gonna go so cute with so many outfits, so many outings. Oh my gosh, I love them. Kiyomi, come here. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, she's actually looking at herself in the mirror. I have like this giant mirror in front of me. All right, say bye. Say bye.